Hey everybody, this is that pipe trailer, lot number 1012. Just pointing a few things out up front here. Looks like somebody might have jackknifed the coupler. It is a 2-inch coupler, but it does have a bend to it, you can see. They did widen the deck up front here, so you can haul a little bit longer pipe. Comes with the bulldog jack. It is free. Safety chains, newer 7-way plug. Unsure if the lights work. We do not have a pickup here to test it. You can see they put that extra crossbar up here. Just follow the trailer back. See, they kind of ran the wiring and some conduit, so it's protected. You can see it still has the nipples on the tires here, guys. In really good shape. Good tire there on the driver's side. Again, you got the tail light there. Unsure if they're in working condition. Another one there. And then back around to that other tire. Again, I would say that other tire is 95%. This one's all of 90. A lot of good deep tread still left. Really nice pipe trailer, guys. A little bit of work. You could probably use it as a bale trailer too.